My name is Anissa Boulahya and I'm a corporate director at AgaBullion. Today we are going to talk about gold derivatives. What is a derivative? A derivative is a financial contract that has one or various underlyings. The underlyings can be commodities, gold, other precious metals, stocks, bonds, indices, and so on. There are three common instruments or derivatives: the forwards, the futures, and the options. The forwards are over-the-counter contracts whereby you can customize the terms of the contract. That said, you may face more risk because you are in front of the seller or the buyer, the other party, and you have no intermediary, no instance that would regulate that contract. Forward contracts assume that you will be either delivering the gold if you are the seller or acquiring the physical gold if you are the buyer at the time of the execution of the forward. Non-performance of any of the actions, i.e. acquiring or selling, at the execution date is a default. And the contract does manage that situation and does state what would be the rules, what would be the happenings in case of a default. If one of the parties is not abiding by the contract, the only solution is a legal action in court. As opposed to forward contracts, the future contracts are not customizable. That being said, they are traded on an electronic exchange, which lowers the risk of counterparty. The exchange absorbs that risk of the counterparty, and the exchange makes sure the gold is delivered at a given time in the future as per the contract. That said, maybe exchanges can also default. The last type of derivative contract is the options contract, and when you buy an option contract, you buy the option to buy gold in the future at a given price. But as the terms says it very well, it's an option. You don't have to buy the gold. You can take the decision to buy the gold at the execution date if the price is satisfactory for you. Since the value of the derivatives is linked to the underlying asset, which is the gold in our case, these contracts are mainly used for hedging purposes and or for speculation purposes.